Hello guys, welcome to How to Fix Tech. In this video guys, we are going to split the Windows 10 or 11 screen. So how to do that? If I open this and if I want to open the Google Chrome or searching any browser, so I can use only one screen in this way. But in this video guys, I will show you how to split the screen in multiple screens so that you can do the multitasking operations. So let's start. So let's say this is my first screen and I want to show simultaneously both. So you need to click on here on the top and drag it to the last until it show that you cannot drag it like this. It means that you have to push it until it gets automatically pasted here. And on the second screen you need to click on this option as well and also drag it to the left hand side. Now both are stable here. You can see, you can open and you can also work on this. You can see, so two screens are splitted now. So you can work here, and if you want to open again the third screen here, you can also do that. Let me show you again. Like drag it here like this, and on the third screen you can do like this. So you can see three screen we can also set here. Okay, so this is, we can only do here the two screen with this method, but if you want to like move it here, so just move it one side, and the second one you can choose here as well. The third screen you can see. So you can see now we can work on three screens together. So you can also use the Windows plus right arrow key to open the right one, or the left arrow key to open the left one like this, and up one you can also use it, and the right one you can also use it like this way. So this is how guys you can split the screen on your Windows 10 or 11 PC. So hope this video useful for you guys. If yes, then hit like, subscribe and share. Thank you. Thanks for watching How to Fix Tech.